If you're trying to work fast on your website and find good images to replace in your website or your WordPress theme, using AI generation of images might not be the best idea. It requires a lot of different iterations, and you need to have amazing prompting skills. So this is an image I generated with Spider-Man. It's got like two hands by the side. Yeah, so yes, it's not working out. Yeah, so if you practically need images for your website, instant images is the best way that you can find images to put into your WordPress website and be super productive. Okay, so it can do one-click image uploads from Unsplash, Openverse, Pixabay, and Pexels. Okay, these are 4 websites that you can get images for free for your website, and using this plugin you don't even have to visit all of those 4 websites. Okay, it's so easy. I'm gonna show you how it works. So let's say you are wanting to edit a web page that you have in WordPress. You can actually just select the image that you want to change, click on replace, click on open media library. Here you will have a new tab called instant images, and it is here that you can select images. Okay, just search for whatever you want. Okay, select the image, it will download it in the background. Okay, all without leaving your WordPress backend. Image downloaded, you can enter the alt text, caption, description, title as you need to. Okay, select, and your image is replaced. So it is as simple as that. And you also have 4 different options, okay, where you can find the same keyword. So there are so many images out there, and the best thing about this is that all the images are free to use. Okay, so you can find the image you want to use, you will download in the backend. Okay, select it and it will replace. It's as simple as that. Yeah, so I have a website without the plugin installed yet. Let me show you how to install it. So first you go to your WordPress backend, and then go to plugins, add new. Okay, search for instant images. Okay, the first one that comes up. Okay, install. Okay, while it's installing, let us go through whether this is a good plugin or safe plugin. Okay, version 5, okay, last updated 2 weeks ago, is pretty updated. Test up to 6.2. Current WordPress version is 6.2 as well. It's got 100,000 active installations. So based on this, right, I would think that this is a very good plugin. There are some 1-star reviews, I'm not sure why. So let's click in, just take a look. Okay, it just doesn't work. A waste of my time, just doesn't work for me. 5 years, 4 years ago. So this WordPress plugin has been around for more than 5 years. Yeah, okay, it works, right? So after installing, activate the plugin. So remember, search for instant images. Okay, once the plugin is activated, you can add a new page, okay, or edit any of the pages that you need to. Okay, and just now you saw me replacing an image. Here's something even more amazing: featured image. All right, you can set your featured image using instant images as well. Yeah, because it's using the same media library. So amazing flower. Okay, let's go for this. So you get the idea. Yeah, instant images plugin, you get images from Unsplash, Openverse, Pixabay, and Pexels. Alright, so have fun with this. Hope this brings you productivity. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, like the video. We'll be coming up with more videos that can help you with your business productivity, with your website development productivity. Thank you.